Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the game language in the mini world CREATA game. To change the game's language, you have to be in the login screen. If you are in the game but don't understand what is where, if you have set a language you can't read, for example, you can get to the login screen by simply closing the game and then opening it again. Then waiting for it to open. Then once it does, you can tap on the globe icon in the bottom right corner, which you see right here. Just tap on it and you'll see all the language options. You can tap on any one of them to change your language, and this will restart your application. As it has mentioned, if you are playing from an iPhone, you will have to manually restart your phone. But as you can see, the language has been changed. Let's change it back to English. Of course, when it asks you for confirmation, you'll have to click the option on the left if you don't understand what they say, as that will be the one to confirm. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.